have a nice day and roll your engine outside and give it a good cleaning while we're waiting for clutch parts to arrive. Okay, the channel was all cleaned out. I'm going to put the rubber back in over here. I used a wrench to just straighten out any little bent spots on it. You can kind of pry them back. Nice West Germany wrench. Works great. A little rusty. So like everything else that's reproduction, these things are really tight to slide in. But they're made just a little bit too big. We're going to use soapy water sprayed in there. And then I have a little trick that'll hopefully help. I'll show you what it is. You need to get the weather stripping nice and cold. So here, out in the snow. That should be cold enough. Some water. A little extra snow. I don't want to have to cut this. It seems like it's way too big. The original one came out nice and easy. Ooh, this one ain't gonna go so good. It's gonna be a long friggin' pull. That's horrible. Guess we're going to resort to pushing it in. More bending. Snap ring pliers. I'm going to open this up a little bit more. Well, that didn't work out well. Resorting to this. The top edge is in, and I have to slowly push the weather stripping into the channel here. If this is the way the factory did this, they would still be assembling these today. So every piece of reproduction weather stripping, in my opinion, sucks. So, not very fun. And I'm sure the other piece I have to put around the back is going to be the same way. After this is pushed in, I will go back and tap some of the metal in to secure this a little bit tighter. So, have fun doing this yourself. That took way too long to do. Now we got the other piece to do. Same thing. I got the bottom part of it slipped into the channel, and then you have to just slowly and painstakingly push that little edge in the whole way. So I'll see you next week, because I'll still be doing this. Whew.